Okay, what we have here is part two of then tune up on this vehicle. Um, there's more than one way to skin a cat. So most people break their neck, spend hours and hours of trying to reach behind the motor, be blind, try to disconnect this hose, disconnect that hose, take this bracket off, take that bracket off. I found it on this vehicle, it's just way more easy. Just go ahead and remove the windshield wiper shield, remove your wiper blades, and just get all the space and access you need. So what I did, I went on ahead and removed the windshield wiper cluster. That's the wiper motor, and those are the windshield wipers. Right here, as you can see, I have all the room I need. So I don't have to reach back there, do none of that stuff. All I have to do is remove my bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove those 5 bolts. I had to remove the canister right here, which was bolted on right there. I had to remove the, I guess this is like a timing run intake valve for your RPM. I had to move it from right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up and get y'all back, see what y'all gonna do on the back side. So what I did, I went on and removed the bolts, the 3 bolts and the 3 nuts that was holding, 2 nuts that was holding on. I came to the rear, and on the back side, this one hose right here, I went on and got that off. And this right here, this one hose, everything is best to stay together, I believe, from here. So I got to use 2 hands. Okay, to get to the rear, these are our spark plugs right here. So the intake can just stay where it's at, and I just hold this up and get in there and just take our spark plugs out, just like so. And I won't have to do nothing but just put one hose back together and put everything back on top. I believe that it's way more simple and easier, the same way we did I believe it's way more simple and easier just to take out the windshield wiper motor, take out the windshields, get that whole couple right there out the way, and just go straight to the back, take that one hose off, and just lift everything up. It's more simple than trying to reach back there, trying to find this hose, trying to get this hose loose, trying to get that hose loose, working blind. Sometimes the extra 20 minutes could save you an extra hour or 2. But that's how you do a tune-up on a Nissan Murano. There was a V6 3.5, and good luck. It's really not hard. It just look complicated, but this is really a simple job to do. I recommend you to do it. Peace out. Hold up. Boot leather auto, double up.